Good afternoon, first grade. For math today, we're going to be looking at different numbers of cubes and then comparing those numbers and deciding different math terms like which one is least, which one has most, and we're going to look at the different numbers. So that is what we're working on today. My check-in is to make sure that you have all of your supplies. So you need to make sure you have your whiteboard. You need to make sure you have a whiteboard eraser and your marker. So we need to have those every single day during math. Also a pencil. And then you want to check your body and make sure that you are sitting in a good spot where you can learn. So take a couple of seconds. Make sure you're sitting at your desk. You have all of your supplies you need and your eyes are on the camera so you're focused. Okay, so your assignment for yesterday was to start this number matching. So you were to match your number to the correct 10 frame. And if you ran out of room, you could put them on the back. So if you haven't finished this, this is what you need to bring to the school tomorrow, Thursday, with your name on it to turn it back in when you get your new packet. So make sure this is done if you're not already done. Okay, so for our activity today, we're going to be looking at different numbers and comparing groups. So we have a red column, blue column, and a green column, and we're going to create a graph to compare these numbers. So I'm going to go through the graph. I'll read the title of the graph, My Colored Cube Graph. Now we're doing this one together, but later I'm going to send graphs like this home with you, and then you'll get to do these graphs playing games with them. How many red? How many blue? How many green? Which color has the most cubes? Which color has the least cubes? So what I brought was a basket, and I have all these different cubes in here. And I'm going to draw cubes, and every time I draw a cube, I'm going to mark off one of these on the chart. And we're going to answer these questions after I draw 10 cubes. All right. First cube, green. I'm going to mark off green. I got a green again. Which one is your favorite? Red, blue, or green? This time I got red. A red. All right, next color is green. Wow, we have lots of green. I wonder which one's going to have the most. Next color, blue. Finally, we have a blue. Okay, I said we were going to do 10, so let's see how many we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can draw 5 more cubes. Red. Okay. Green. I'm going to redo that one. Next color is red. Okay. We got a red again. I think we need to stop and count and make sure that we only go to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We get one more cube to draw. We got a blue. So we have our 10 cubes. Now we need to fill out this part of the chart. So let's go through the questions. It says, how many are red? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many are blue? 1, 2. And how many are green? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, we have 2 that have 4. Okay, this question asks, which color has the most cubes? So I want you to think about most. Would most be biggest number or smallest number? What would it be? It would be the big number. So which one has the most? Which number is the biggest? We have 2 numbers. So we have a 4 for red and a 4 for green. Those numbers are bigger than 2. So we have 2 colors that have the most cubes. We have red and we have green. Now it's asking which color has the least. So which one is the smallest number? Blue only has 2. So blue has the least cubes. So we would write blue. Okay, I want you to discuss this chart with your family. Have them ask you questions about it, and maybe you can come up with a game at your house using this strategy of building a graph. We will be sending these home later, different graphs like this to practice. So if you would like to participate in that, we will be sending those out soon. All right. Don't forget to bring this back to the school with your name on it.